Well, I'll do a quick intro just to say that I'm about to fly the Vortex on the slope for the first time, which is what it's designed for, really. Got maximum rates set up on this, which I really need to be able to throw it around. Three, two, one. Thank you. So, first flight on the slope with the Vortex, and really needed the crow braking. So take out the flaps and take out the reflex. Brilliant. Thanks for watching. Link in the video description and the pinned comment. See you next time. Bye.